guys, Kylie here. I am here with Cassie.
Hi.
And Jack Sr. We are going to show you a bathroom remodel. So let me flip the camera around and we'll show you what's going on. All right. Hey Jack.
Hello.
All right, so just kind of walk us through what kind of issues were the customer having and what are we doing here?
Okay, so I was called out to the house, dispatched out here because the customer is handicapped and they wanted to have a tub installed for them that they could access without having to crawl over the threshold of the tub. And so we got this tub from Costco. And it's an amazing tub. It has jets and bubblers and an inline heater. And what they do is they just simply open this door, step in the tub, close the door, it seals to the tub, then there'll be faucets right here and a handheld, and they'll just turn the water on, fill it up with them inside of it, and take care of their business. And then when they're all done, they simply open the drain and it actually pumps the water out of it. This tub can drain within 1 minute's time, so it's actually really super nice tub.
Oh, wow.
And then they just open the door, step out, lock it back in, dry it down, and it's ready to go. And
Wonderful.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, put it in. It has a little trim kit that actually fits nicely in the corner. Hook up the drain to it, 2 water lines, and it's ready to go. That's simple.
Awesome. Very cool. So some of the special features of this tub, you already mentioned the jet. It's a walk-in tub. So is this something that you recommend for anyone disabled?
My wife actually used to work in an assisted living facility.
Oh, okay.
We've installed several of these in assisted living facilities before. The customers really love them because it's an easy access. And they love the jets and the bubbles because it soothes them. We're talking about some older people that need that kind of therapy, so they're able to get in and get soothed and they massage their jets a little bit, and then it's easy access in and out. So they really love the product.
Nice. And how long does a project like this usually take?
We're approximately 8 hours into this project. There'll probably be another 4 more to finish it up.
Gotcha. And can you tell us what the biggest struggle was so far?
Actually, the biggest struggle for this project was getting the tub into the bathroom. Hooking it up wasn't that time consuming or difficult. It just takes an inch and a half drain and 2 half-inch water lines, and then it hooks up with braided steel lines to the faucet here. So it really wasn't a very difficult install. It's just a matter of getting it in. We had to remove this window over here to access the tub into the bathroom here. The doors weren't openings weren't quite big enough, and we didn't want to destroy the structure here.
Awesome.
So it was a lot easier to get it through that window over there than it was for the door here.
Awesome.
For sure.
Yeah, we definitely made it work.
Awesome, Jack.
Well, I think we're about done here. If any of our viewers have questions, or Cassie?
At the moment, I think that was my main concern when I was... So we were both in here wondering how they were going to get the tub inside. We were, worried that they were going to have to tear down the wall. I mean, the owners of the home, of course, were, do what you got to do. But these brilliant people, we have Kyle over here. We have Cody right there.
Our muscle.
They were able to lift the tub quite a bit and bring it into the window. So, I mean, I think that speaks for itself. You guys are amazing. Thank you for helping these customers.
That's our specialty. That's what we do.
So if you guys have any other suggestions, if you want to see more custom put-ins like this, if you want to see another toilet, remodel, sewer repairs, let us know. Please share and like this video. And remember, keep your plumbing pure.
Bye, guys.